Hey everyone, welcome to this quick tutorial on how to use the Winget Package Manager to install, update, and remove packages on Microsoft Windows. Winget is the official command line tool for managing packages in Windows, similar to package managers like apt or DNF on Linux. Let's start by searching for packages. For example, if I want to install PowerShell 7, I can use the Winget search command to find the package that installs it. This will display a list of packages that match the keyword PowerShell. For each package, Winget will display the name, ID, and version. Based on the search results, this package seems to be the one I want to install. Let's get more information about the package using the Winget show command. Remember to use the package ID when managing packages. So here we'll type winget show microsoft.powershell. The Winget show command will provide you with detailed information about the specified package, including its name, description, version, publisher, and more. Now that I know this is the package that installs PowerShell 7, let's install it. To install packages, we use the Winget install command followed by the ID of the package. To list installed apps on your computer, use the Winget list command. To remove an app, use the Winget uninstall command, followed by the ID of the app you want to remove. If you type Winget upgrade, it will show a list of available updates. You can then specify the package ID to upgrade a specific package. To view the command options for Winget, simply type Winget. This will display the help page, providing you with detailed information about available commands and their usage.